Life in Australia moves fast. Between the office grind and family commitments, finding a moment of genuine peace can feel like an impossible task. But what if the calm you're looking for isn't at a retreat, but right here in your daily coastal or city routine? Mindfulness doesn't have to be mystical or religious. It's a practical tool for the modern Aussie. It's about grounding yourself in the present moment, using the natural beauty of our surroundings, whether it's the salt air or the morning light, to reset your nervous system. Start with your morning coffee. Instead of checking emails, feel the warmth of the mug and smell the beans. This simple sensory focus is your first step towards secular spirituality. It's about being fully present in the small rituals that already make up your day. Connect with the land. Australians have a unique bond with the outdoors. Use your lunch break to walk barefoot for 5 minutes. Notice the texture of the ground. This earthing technique is a logical way to reduce stress and reconnect with your physical environment. When the pressure builds at work, use the 3-breath reset. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. It's a biological hack to signal safety to your brain. No incense or chanting required, just your breath and a moment of focused, practical intention. The commute is often a source of frustration. Transform it. Turn off the news and just observe the sky or the rhythm of the road. Use this transition time to decompress. It's about creating a mental buffer zone between your professional life and your home sanctuary. Modern coastal living offers us a constant reminder of flow. Watch the waves. They don't struggle, they just move. This observation helps you realize that your thoughts are like tides, they come and go. You are the shore, stable and unaffected by the passing water. Silence is a rare commodity. Seek it out for just 10 minutes a day. It's not about emptying the mind, but about observing the noise without getting caught in it. This practice builds resilience, allowing you to handle the Australian no-worries lifestyle with actual ease. Practical spirituality also means mindful connection. When you're with friends, put the phone away. Listen to the subtext of the conversation. Being fully present for others is a form of secular witness that enriches your relationships and provides a sense of belonging. Engage in flow state activities. Whether it's surfing, gardening, or cooking a meal, lose yourself in the task. This focused immersion is a natural antidepressant. It's where the ego disappears and you simply become the action itself, finding peace through doing. Look up at the Southern Cross. Our vast sky reminds us of our perspective. In the grand scheme, today's stresses are small. This cosmic mindfulness isn't religious. It's a factual recognition of our place in a massive, beautiful universe that we belong to. End your day by noting 3 practical things you're grateful for. Not vague concepts, but real things: a good flat white, a cool breeze, a productive meeting. This habit rewires your brain to scan for the positive, grounding your spirituality in daily reality. Preparation for sleep is vital. Create a dark hour, no screens, just soft light. Use this time to reflect on the day as a neutral observer. This isn't about judgment. It's about closing the loops of the day, so your mind can truly rest and recover for tomorrow. This isn't a chore, it's a lifestyle upgrade. By integrating these secular practices, you'll find that your Australian lifestyle becomes more vibrant. You're not escaping life, you're diving deeper into it, with more clarity and less unnecessary psychological weight. You deserve a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your perspective shifts. Practical mindfulness is the bridge between the hustle of the city and the peace of the coast. You have the tools. If you're an Australian looking for a down-to-earth approach to inner peace, join our community. Subscribe to Inner Light Studio for more practical guides on living a grounded, non-religious spiritual life. Let's navigate this modern journey together. Subscribe now.